I'm James Sweeney, and here is your morning market brief. We first begin overseas with the major Asian Pacific markets once again trading mixed overnight. Japan's Nikkei 225 index, that's on the downside 3%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng index, that managed to rise 0.3%, and the Shanghai Composite, that fell 0.5%. Meanwhile, European markets, they are mostly in the red, and U.S. stock futures, they were pointing towards a negative open. After the bell, the Dow Jones is exactly that, down about 90 points. Now, we first begin in Japan as consumer prices rose 0.2% year over year in June, this after declining 0.3% in the month of May, therefore marking the first positive annual inflation rate in over 1 year, and its biggest monthly jump in the figure itself since November 2008. Meanwhile, Amazon went on to report a loss of 2 cents per share, this in the second quarter, on revenues of $15.7 billion. Starbucks went on to report second quarter earnings of 55 cents per share, beating expectations calling for 53 cents per share, and revenues of $3.74 billion. And Zynga beat analyst estimates on the top and bottom lines in the second quarter, but said in earnings release that it would not pursue a license for online gambling in the United States. Therefore, shares down more than 20%. And JP Morgan's chief U.S. equity strategist Tom Lee has hiked the year-end price target for the S&P 500 to 1775 from 1715 today, therefore making him the most bullish equity strategist on Wall Street. And finally, the results of the University of Michigan's July Consumers Confidence Survey, that rose to a reading of 85.1, therefore marking its highest level in nearly 6 years.